Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign into your PayPal account using a web browser in just a few simple steps. So whether you are checking your balance, sending money, or managing transactions, logging in is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone, tablet, or your computer and open Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other web browser. For this video, I'll be using Google Chrome. And in the address bar, type www.paypal.com and tap on the link. Now tap on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Type in your registered email address or your phone number and the password associated with your PayPal account. If you cannot remember your password, just tap on Forgot Password to retrieve it via email and tap Login. I'll just skip this step to save my password to this device. So here, you can even log in with your face, fingerprint, or PIN. For now, I'll be skipping this one. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your PayPal dashboard where you can check your balance, send and receive payments, manage transactions and settings. And yes, that's it. You have successfully signed into your PayPal account on a web browser. Now you can manage the transactions with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. If you have got any queries, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.